still stuff in there?
Oh, look at the bottom.
Holy smoke. Yeah, I gotta wipe that out.
Yeah. I'd say wipe it out and then blast it some more.
Yep.
Got a cloth? Here, I got a big towel here.
Yeah. Yeah, right there, just set one. Al, right here. Clean one.
The glue ain't quite dry yet. Yeah, all right.
It's kind of got a sticky, it sticks to the, something sticky at the bottom.
Yeah, it's just that lubricant, I think. It's like grease.
Yeah.
The grease out of that stuff. Yeah, I'm pushing a lot of it right out of that hole. Yeah, let me get my lighting.
Let me,
Here. Oh, yeah, yeah. Start blasting it over there, and I'm gonna just keep doing this. I'm gonna keep guiding it over.